We'll pick it up.
She's moving.
Losing grease.
She's moving. Look at that spacing we got.
Come on, hurry up, hurry the fuck up.
Yeah, because that'll...
I want to go somewhere. Yeah, you just gotta have...
What does Christoph want to do today?
Getting lava kick, baby. Alright, well, one more hit.
Alright.
This fucking thing was gonna last much longer.
Dean, you're taking our milk. Down.
Yeah.
Having fun, Alex?
Yeah, but I need a bigger chainsaw.
I recommend moving your pickup.
Yeah?
The next one's gonna take it out.
That's a Chevy. You can't take that thing out. Fucking a mile in the woods.
Yeah.
On skidder trails.
Might have a scratch or two more, but it'll still roll.
Probably has no more bottom panel.
No, we got rid of the rocks.
Yeah.
We moved those.
This is third cut, obviously. I guess we also got a bunch of turkeys that aren't gonna die today. That's a boatload of turkeys.
Alex is here too. Yeah.
Including
They're gonna be staying over there.
that's what he thinks.
Yeah? Are you staying over there? He's not a good listener. But yeah, Gabe finally got her warmed up. He's letting her have the beans now. She's really whistling. We're on day 2. I brought in backup. We got Ryan here and Matt. They're helping. Matt don't notice. He's sweating a little.
Go that way.
We got Alex over here dumping.
Everything get good.
Christoph is communicating with some truck drivers. I think JC or Philip on which path to take because one of the fields.
Go to the left here around.
One of the fields
One field, just drive out there.
is either you go through the pasture or you go around. Going around takes longer. I gotta move around. Look at Ryan. He's giving the old thumbs up. This is JC's first time hauling feed with this truck. You got it figured out?
I believe so.
You gotta open the tailgate up first and then drive off the pile. You're too far up it. So, got it figured out how to show him some stuff. He's dumping. Is almost full. thing. So it's like it's 3:15. So he'll be back probably 10 minutes or something. Whenever he's done scraping down. And shift goes on. The beads. We call them something beads, but I won't say it on camera.
Actually told that when you gotta buy them too.
There's something beads, but I will not use the word because YouTube probably banned me.
Right. What they look like is what you're thinking.
Yeah.
They definitely are.
I'm in a really good spot to show you kind of because I'm on a hill. Here, you cannot see. Anyways, how are you possibly supposed to run line through that? And then if you can, it'll never thaw in the morning for the morning or throughout the whole day because it's always gonna have trees. So it's never gonna run good. So that's another reason. You need to be able to let sunlight in. There, right there. Here, boom. You can see what we've done. All this is gonna get, like I've been saying, it's gonna rot and decay or whatever you want to say. It'll be nice and open. Sunlight's really gonna get all the way down onto the pipe. We've done that all the way over to here and all the way over to the woods boundary. Birdie and Stanner right there. And yeah, you can just really see what we're doing here. We're opening this right up. Because this, like here, all look like this. We're really opening it up. Got Kyle right there, driving the freight shaker. Setting up pipe. We have got to that part of this project. We have 3 of these reels, 2,500 foot a piece, and this is going to be our main line to the woods. And we're gonna have tanks here, but we want everything running to here from the woods. That way, the truck loaded with sap doesn't have to run up down this road. Ferdy rolled the 4-wheeler, so that one's out of commission. He sent it a little too hard on a corner, right, Matt?
Yes, so.
Yeah. So we're gonna pull it with a side-by-side. Didn't need to happen, but it did. That's a lot heavier anyway, so it'll do it a lot easier. And we'll hitch this one up, pull it out the same, and then drive it over there and unhook it. Clearly, we're not done this. We have like another 1,000 feet to go. But you got one shot to do this, so we are taking the extra hours, not minutes, hours to do this, because you do 30 feet, then you go back 3 times apparently. That's how this is going.
I'll let anyone else excavate.
No, nobody's complaining that he's excavating, even though he has to come back 3 times, because it's not fun. And every time I laser it, I tell him to come back.
1 more inch, just 1 more inch.
That 1 more inch matters when it happens every single 30 feet, so it is important. Up here, Birdie's up here packing the front side to side, so Pierre's gonna run solo for a minute. Next truck's already coming in, so we'll see how he does. They got a mountain right here. Got the neighbors chopping corn up there. The sun is bright. You got Matt rolling in. I'm gonna guess Ferdy's gonna come down soon. Help push. Take the lid off.
Oh, fuck!
The one time he spilled it.
Here.
Well, my sister's driving.
It was an accident!
She lost the wheel. I think the issue here, she's just driving it off the road at this point. I think the bigger issue is the fact of how far she went without the wheel. At this point, just drive it off the damn road. Yeah. Well, so we're here with Luke. I'm riding shotgun for the last load. And we're gonna end the video with Luke's driving.
That could be a really good thing or a really bad thing. I've only had one bad thing happen today. It happened in front of a church full of people.
This truck's got just a normal 8-speed in it. So, there's no splitters or nothing. You're under the pressure, Luke.
I perform.
He doesn't promise anything, so he always exceeds expectations, right?
One way or another.